Yeah, again and again we are with the robot Gprs again. We are with the robot Gprs again, and the broker we are using is Xness. So as we can see here, we have the Gprs again robot, and now it is an opportunity to those who like to trade US 30 indices. The robot also do some wonders to this, and let us see what is going to happen inside here, and watch up what is going to happen for here, and what are we going to do, and what we are going to expect to have. So let's just check up and just watch this. As you can see, the trade started with up, down and uptrend, like the way you see it, just with a capital of 73, but we are just running off like that one, as you can see. And then so let's just wait. That's why I don't want to just show you on the result, but I show you how the trades goes, how the robot place the orders, how the robot make the profits, how the market goes. Yeah, I just always showing you this so as you can understand. So when you decide to come and buy a robot, then you are going to understand how you can get your robot and how you can just do what is possible. And the Gprs robot is priced at $750 US. As you if you don't know, that's the price. But don't worry about it. So you can come and just ask your question, and after you get your robot, you'll be given an instruction on how to use it step by step by Google meeting or Zoom meeting. As you make payment, you create a Google meeting or Zoom meeting, so as you can be instructed on how to use it, and you can understand how you can use your robot very clear and make profits as soon as you see this robot is going to wake up here. The videos are there there's so many videos. If you want to see my videos, just click Rich Minded Skills there, and then watch all the videos on my channel, and you will see the results about this robot. You will just see everything there. And I'm welcoming you. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel if you are interested with this. So we are just making all this way so as you can understand, to make an opportunity to make a profit, because the goal here is to make profit, but not any other thing, because everybody is just searching and looking for money, working every day just searching for money, so as they can fulfill their life and other things in their life, so as they can get money. So money is everything. So as you can see here with this, we just going here, make sure you watch the video so as you can understand how the robot works, how it's just going to make a profit, how the market understands us, how the like that. So make sure we have here up to the end, then we are going to search and work on, and everything is going to be seen for us, and we're done with that. So this is Gprs robot. As you see all the videos, there's so many videos about Gprs robot working in US dollar, I mean gold, USD, BTC, GBP, and the pairs we are working on very clear. And there's booming. This is just trading in volatility, all indices, and also it can work worldwide, and it can work in any broker, any broker. So it doesn't select the broker. Your broker is the right broker for this, and there is no any other thing. So you can just trade with your broker you like to trade, which is easier to you to withdraw your money according to your country and everything. So make sure you watch this video to the end, then when we make profit, you understand how the bot works, and when you decide to buy the robot, you will know what is going on with the robot. And the equity is 73, as you can see, and we are just running like the wave seat. So let us just wait up to the end of the target of the robot, because the robot has played the targets. That's why you can see some lines there. He played some targets, and when he reached the targets, he call off, then we get a profit. So we are here to understand each other, so make sure you watch this to the end so as you understand much. My name is Joe Billionaire, so you can just go to description. There's so many links also for Instagram, for Telegram for me, and also for Facebook page and WhatsApp page, so you can join there so as you can get more updates on everything. So we are here to understand everything. Make sure you watch all the videos, make sure you subscribe so as when I place any robot I review, so as you can understand and you can decide which kind of robot is good for you, and we can work for you very clean and can make you make money as soon as good. Okay. Yeah, as you can see, we are now running about this. As you can see, we're just about running about this profit. Yeah, as you can see, we're just running about that profit, and this is how this robot works. And we're just like this. This one is still on the sell, but the ones who are buying are just in profit, as you can see. And that's why what we call the profit hunter robot. The profit hunter robot, always doing wonders and doing wonders and wonders and wonders. And now I'm going to sign out, close bulk or close all profitable trades. We are now going to close all profitable trades. A few moments, like the way you see it, we are in profit like that one. We are going to close the profitable trades. That's how this robot works. Please make sure you subscribe if you are interested with this robot, and we are welcoming you to inbox. Don't go to third party. If you need this robot, make sure you come to my description and buy your robot, and you will be given instruction how to use the robot, and that's all. Make sure you come to us and do what is possible so as you can make profit. We have already made more than our capital, profit more than our capital, and we are going to close all profitable position. As you can see, we have already done, so we are waiting for others. And now as you can see, and now our equity is now 160. Our equity is now 163, and now we're just on other trades which are on sale, and which are on sale, as you can see. So we are waiting for this also to come in target, and then we are done. So that's how this thing are going, and you are welcome again. So I'm going to sign out. Gprs trading robot, this is how it works, and I already show you. If you're interested with this, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I love you so much. Goodbye, and we are now signing out for this. Make sure you watch another video coming upside, then you understand when you want to go and decide what to do. And the robot also decided to place some orders. When we reach the target, it will open and we continue making money. So it is just good for us and good for you. And thank you for watching, and thank you for being my family, supporting me. And when you subscribe, I really love that. Thank you for being a part of my family of growth. And also, you are going to grow too, because you love people to grow. Because when you love people to grow, also you are going to grow. Thank you so much.
A few moments later.
Okay, as you can see, all these sales trades also are in profit. As you can see, also this sales profit have already opened the trades, and they are running on profit like the way you see it. So make sure you watch again. This. It is also again in profit, the way we say that. We are just waiting for them to open the trades, and now open the trades, and you can see they're in profit and sell profit like the way, breathing in and out, breathing in and out, breathing in and out. So this Gprs never lose, never make you in loss. It's just always coming you in profit, making you come in profit. Even if you are a tiny account, if a small account, but always it just makes sure you have to make profit. This is what we call Gprs, the best robot I using always in my tradings. I really love this robot. I appreciate it, and I guaranteed you, if you have this robot, you have to make money. And you always be my friend, because you are going to make money. We are going to make money. We are going to make money. We are going to make money. That's the point. And if you don't trust, it is up to you. If you trust, it is up to you. But what I'm telling you, I am sure with my words that I am sure will go well. So I just give you an opportunity. It is up to you, because myself I cannot complete all the money in Forex. I cannot take all the money in Forex, because Forex so huge for everyone. So I'm just showing you this because I like to show you, so as you also can make something like this and help your families and everything, and so as you can be blessed and so good. So we are here to help each other, because when you help me by subscribing and whatever, buying the robots, you help me, and also when you buy and get profit and make money, I help you. So we are here to help each other. So make sure you are here to help your family, you are here to help your relative, you are here to help yourself, you are here to help yourself. The goal is only to make money. So here we are just going to do such wonders, like the way you see, only booming, like that one. From 75 now we are running about 180. So what are you waiting again to make money? You have been making more losses, going to third parties, going to wrong people, buying robot with wrong people, a huge amount of money. But why don't you buy this robot and just do something like this? If you don't get profit, 14 days money guaranteed back. Okay, that's how we say, and that's how we do. So make sure you come and buy the robot, and we make a Google meeting or Zoom meeting, so as we can understand, work together, and we do it, we boom it. Life changes and everything changes. So make sure you do a good decision, which can make that decision will make your life go better, more than one step ahead from now. So it is just your decision. I just inspire you, take this opportunity. If you have the robot, if you have your strategy, make sure you complete your strategy and make it in your head, and draw your trading plan, so as which plan do you want to go with. Then when you trade inside your trading plan, you are going to make an amount of money. In a month you are going to make a lot of money. Okay, because if you just want to be a millionaire in a one day, it is something impossible, and also can be possible. So it is better you just do slowly, and once here comes back to you, then here coming inside next to you, you are going to be more than a billionaire, more than a millionaire, more than a trillionaire, more than 1,000 make money, or whatever you like to be. But it is one step ahead from where you are. So maybe if you are just making 1,000 in a month or 200 in a month, but when you make 400 in a month, 1,000 a month, that means that you are ahead of one step ahead or two steps ahead, and you're going to make a lot of money. So we are here to make money. So welcome again, and don't worry about this. Make sure you have your robot, a good system which can help you to make money. That's all what I tell you. That's why I always just showing you from the beginning these things, how work and everything. That's why I don't want to I just show you everything, how I play the robot, and the robot open the order, robot comes from the losses and then recover the money, and we are done, and we are closing the orders, and like that. So it is up to you to make decision and make money. If you don't want, just stay watching. If you want to make opportunity, make an opportunity, so as you make money. Yeah, that's all. And I think this is enough, because I have made a lot of money there. For now is enough, and enough for me. I'm going to close all bulk and close all profitable trades, like that, and I'm done. Thank you for watching, and I'm done with that. My profit now, I have now about 100 profit. Thank you, because I deposited 70. Now I am with a profit of 100. It's enough for me. That's for my trading platform planning for today for this robot, and I'm done. Thank you.